In this video, I'm going to share another customer service tip and technique for converting a one-time buyer into a lifelong customer. And in this case, I'm going to talk about stepping over the line. I'm Jeff Mowatt. Over the 30 years that I've been providing customer service training, I discovered that one of the things that we do that we think is great for our customers is we provide them our products and services on time, within budget, and good quality. And we think that they're going to remember us, they're going to want to buy from us again. Well, that's a mistake. A one-time sale does not necessarily convert into lifelong loyalty because, frankly, customers don't really notice when you do things on time. Like, for example, I had a car with a dent in it that I had to take into a body shop. And of course, they fixed the dent and they got it done. Well, my association with that experience was this: okay, I had to be without my vehicle. It was a hassle. I had to go through an insurance claim or whatever. It was going to cost me time and money and inconvenience. Well, that wasn't a very good experience and not make me really want to go back to a body shop. And who wants to go back to a body shop? But here's the interesting thing that body shop did differently. Not only did they, of course, fix the dent, they washed the entire vehicle, which of course they'd have to do. They have to clean off the vehicle before they do the repaint, I suppose. But beyond that, they vacuumed out my vehicle, which was nice, and detailed it. But they also took everything that was scattered about, all the sports equipment I had in the trunk, and they condensed it all, put it in one cardboard box. And I opened this thing and I was going, maybe I can get my door dented every 6 months or so. I mean, that was the kind of service that made A1 Auto Body, that's the name of the company, remarkable. And when I say remarkable, I mean, literally, I just said their name. I talked about them. So my question for you is, how can you step over the line of the scope of what you're going to do and give them a little extra that will make them remember you? So, for example, I had an air conditioning unit in a house that needed repairing. And so I called the repair person, and he came in and he put plastic around the ceiling air conditioning unit so that it wouldn't create drywall dust everywhere. And that was good. And afterwards, he did, in fact, vacuum that area. But on top of that, get this, he vacuums the entire living room where he was working. I'm sitting there looking at this going, geez, maybe I can find work for him in the other rooms here. All he did was he added a little extra. He went, and it took him another, 5 minutes to do that? So my question for you is, can you provide a little extra service that will make people remember you? Now, this doesn't have to cost a lot of money or take a lot of extra time. It can be incidental, but it makes the customer remember you. So that's my encouragement to you. Step over the line of the scope of the project. Give them a little extra so that they'll remember you, refer you, and want to bring you back. That helps convert that one-time buyer into a lifelong customer. Well, I hope you found this to be helpful. And if you like this video, I think you're going to love my tips. You'll get them for free at jeffsbusinesstips.com. See you next time.